Hello everyone. As repeatedly this question is asked regularly in the class, and most of you requested for this video uh, to draw the second position to the third position. How to shift an apparent shape from second position to the third position in sketchbook. So let us take an example of hexagonal lamina which is resting on one of its edges, and its apparent shape is seen on the right, the second top view. So now let us see how to shift this second position to the third position in an easiest way using some simple tools. So for to shift the second top view to the third position, draw a 30-degree line using a set square and take AB measurement from the second top view and mark it on this 30-degree line in the third position, AB, which is equal to the same length at 30 degree, which is perpendicular line can be drawn from a set square, and from E to F, which will be equal to F to A, and similarly BC and CD are equal. So draw arcs as represented and identify F and C. Join EF AB, BC, CD, DE and EF and FA, so as seen in the figure. And then as the second position is shifted to the third position, wherever the first immediately you are supposed to name it A, B, C, D, E and F, and from A draw a vertical projector, from A draw a projector till it meets A dash projector here from the front view. Similarly from B draw a vertical projector which meets B dash projector. Identify the location, similarly C to C dash and D to D dash, and similarly E to E dash. Identify this 6th position and join and complete front view as seen as such. So darken all the lines, visible edges must be darkened, all projection lines can be thin, and draw the arrow marks with respect to the procedure. First step I have drawn the top view, I mentioned the arrow mark for the second position, and similarly the front view is shifted to the second as the second front view, same dimensions at 45 degree, and then projection lines are drawn below, and from this top first position arrow marks are drawn towards the right so that to identify the second apparent shape. Similarly second position is shifted to the third position, and from third final front view is obtained. So arrow marks are represented as it is. Similarly, let us see for a beta condition using a pentagonal lamina problem how to complete this condition. For example, a pentagonal lamina which is represented as such should be shifted to the third position. So identify the true length of the perpendicular bisector that is given. I am just identifying it as AO1, and apparent length of the perpendicular bisector is AO. So draw a 45 degree line using a set square or joining the diagonals. Just directly draw a 45 degree line. On this 45 degree line, first represent AO1. Take the measurement of AO1 and mark it on 45 degree line and draw a locus. This line represents the locus, and then take the apparent shape AO and with A as center at O, directly mark AO. From the apparent length AO has to be drawn to the third position, which is simply represented with these colors, where AO1 is first taken and marked on the 45 degree line and draw a locus, and then AO is taken from A as center and O is marked, which is represented as. And similarly, to avoid more number of lines and complications, just we can identify that DC is perpendicular to AO. So mark OD and OC as perpendicular to AO. So we have drawn a perpendicular line. So we have drawn a perpendicular where to draw the perpendicular line we can use a set square as such. Using a set square you can draw a perpendicular line. The inner edge of the set square is matched with the AO line, and then perpendicularly these lines can be drawn where OD and OC can be represented. So like this, OD and OC is represented perpendicularly, where AO is perpendicular to CD, and with the second top view, DE measurement and CB measurement using a compass. With D as center, cut an arc on either sides and identify ED and BC. Similarly, with A as center and B as radius, take the measurement AB and AE. With A as center, mark AB and AE and mark the positions of B and E as shown. Complete the pentagon as represented. A, B, C, D, E is directly identified, which this procedure takes less amount of lines and complications. Extend AO till XY line and identify the beta position and complete the final view. Beta position means beta angle, whatever the angle it is, you can represent it here and complete the final view. Same can be done with triangular lamina problem. A triangular lamina problem, CB is directly drawn on 30-degree line at the third position and the median is identified, and then the median is drawn first and then complete the triangle. This is left just as an incomplete so that you can complete it. Just an example to show how the third position can be drawn using set square, which reduces a lot of time, and you can solve it in a very faster rate in examination as well as in your regular classes. Thank you and hope these methods help you.